YouTube TV versus Spectrum TV. Watch this before choosing. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which TV service is better among YouTube TV and Spectrum TV. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with YouTube TV. YouTube TV offers a flexible month to month subscription with no long term commitment, provides unlimited cloud DVR storage to record and save shows, offers a broad range of channels including sports, news, and entertainment, available on various devices including smartphones, tablets, smart TVs, and computers. Features an easy to use and intuitive interface. Somehow, it requires a stable internet connection for streaming. Occasional price hikes can make it more expensive over time. Availability of local channels may vary by region. Now, let's come towards Spectrum TV. Spectrum TV allows bundling TV with internet and phone services for discounts. Offers a comprehensive range of channels, including premium options. Provides access to a large library of on demand movies and shows. Provides a traditional cable TV experience for users who prefer it. Consistent access to local channels. Often requires a contract, which can be a long term commitment. Additional cost for equipment rentals and fees. DVR storage is limited compared to cloud based options. Choosing between YouTube TV and Spectrum TV in 2024 depends on your specific viewing needs and preferences. YouTube TV excels with its flexible subscription, unlimited DVR, and broad channel selection, ideal for those who prefer streaming. Spectrum TV offers bundling options, a wide channel range, and a traditional cable experience suitable for users who want a comprehensive TV package. Consider your priorities in terms of contract flexibility, channel offerings, and additional services to determine which platform aligns best with your TV viewing habits. That's all for this video.